Pradesh. Myself, M.RAJANI, working at KGBV BADANGI in VIZIANAGARAM district. I am dealing the subject of biology. Now we are going to learn about our 7th class 3rd chapter, Nutrition in Organisms. Students, we know in this year we got a new textbook and a new syllabus. In our previous session, we already learned about modes of nutrition and what is nutrition and autotrophic nutrition, and also learned about one of the heterotrophic nutrition is saprophytic nutrition. So in this class we have to learn about parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition. What is parasitic nutrition? It is one of the heterotrophic nutrition in which one organism gets benefited and another organism is vitiated. In this type of nutrition is known as parasitic nutrition. In this nutrition, two organisms are involved. One organism gets benefited and another organism is vitiated or process. So, in this nutrition, two living organisms are there. One is host and the other one is parasite. What is host? The organism which is giving food and shelter to the parasite. The organism which is giving food and shelter to the parasite. That is known as host. What is parasite? The organism which gets benefited. Which gets benefited. The organism which gets benefited, that organism is known as parasite. This type of nutrition is known as parasitic nutrition. This mode of living is called parasitism. Parasitism. For example, leeches on buffaloes. Leeches on buffaloes. The leeches gets suck the blood from the buffaloes. In this association, the leeches has benefit. So this is known as parasite. The buffaloes giving food to the leech. The buffaloes giving food to the leech. So buffaloes are the host. Understood, children? Okay. There are another example is also there. Intestinal worms. In human beings. Intestinal worms in the human being. The intestinal worms present in our intestine. These worms getting food from our intestine and obtain food from host and causes abdominal pain and malnutrition. So, in this association we observe the intestinal worms are the parasites. Human being is the very good host. So, in this association one organism gets benefited and another organism vitiated. Okay, children. Have you ever seen yellow thread-like structure spinning around the stem or branches or leaves of a tree. Observe children. Very good. This figure shows Cuscuta plant. Cuscuta plant. The Cuscuta is a plant, but it does not have any leaves. Not having leaves and not having chlorophyll. So this plant not having any chlorophyll. So this plant could not make their own food. But how it is live? Yes, this plant live like parasite in other plants. This plant twinning around the plants develops a specialized roots are called hostorias. Specialized roots are called hostorias. These hostorias are helpful to absorbing food from the host. So, this Cuscuta plant is also a parasitic plant. So, this type of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Another living is there, that is symbiosis. In the symbiosis, two organisms are involved. These two organisms are getting benefited. So, this type of nutrition is called symbiosis. For example, legume plants. Legume plants are the dog family plants like archie dog, Jizzy dog, red drum dog, green drum dog, gingerly, beans. These are all legume plants. In these legume plants, there is some bacteria are living. That bacteria is called rhizobium bacteria. These plants having a specialized roots. These plants are having a specialized roots are called nodular roots.
78% of nitrogen present in the atmosphere, but the plants cannot use it directly like carbon dioxide. The plants requires nitrogen in soluble form. The rhizobium bacteria lives in the root nodules of the legume plant. These bacteria have an ability to take atmospheric nitrogen and convert into a soluble form. In return, the plant provides food and shelter to the bacteria. Thus, we say the rhizobium and the legume plants shows a symbiotic relationship. Observe children, this is the groundnut plant. These are the nodular roots. Here you can see root nodules in which bacteria growth is there. Right. You can also see the groundnuts. Okay children.
There is another example is there, lichen. In this lichen that contain two partners. One is algae and another one is fungi or fungus. In the the lichen, two partners are there. One is algae and another one is fungus. The algae that containing chlorophyll. So the algae make their own food. But the fungus do not contain chlorophyll. So the fungus do not make their own food. So the fungus depending upon algae for food. And the algae giving food to the fungus. And the fungus giving water and minerals. And also shelter. The fungus giving water, minerals and shelter to the algae. In this association, these both are getting benefit, and both are living together. This type of association is known as symbiosis. So the algae and fungus living together is called lichen. Okay children, you understood? Very good. The next topic is holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition is a type of heterotrophic nutrition. An organism takes food outside of the body and the digestion process occurs inside of the body. And this type of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. Once again I will repeat children. Holozoic nutrition is a type of heterotrophic nutrition which the food is taken solid or liquid from outside of the body and gets digested inside of the body is known as holozoic nutrition. The holozoic nutrition that contains 5 steps. The holozoic nutrition occurs in 5 steps. One is ingestion, and the second one is digestion. The third one is absorption. The fourth one is assimilation. And the fifth one is ejection. The holozoic nutrition occurs in 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. First one is the ingestion. What happens in the ingestion process? Food is taken into the body. And second one is the digestion. Conversion of food into small soluble substances. Is known as digestion. Absorption. Transfers of food to the blood. Is called absorption. In absorption process, absorption of food occurs. And assimilation. Absorbed food become a part of the body is called assimilation. And final step is digestion. Removal of waste and undigested food from outside of the body is known as digestion. These 5 steps amoeba. Children, draw the amoeba diagram in your notebooks. Amoeba is a single cellular organism. Amoeba is a single cellular organism. And also, we don't see with our naked eyes. So, amoeba is a microscopic animal. Microscopic organism. So, amoeba is a single cellular microscopic organism. The amoeba contains in the outside of the body plasma membrane is there. This is the cell membrane or plasma membrane. And inside of the amoeba, cytoplasm is there. This is the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, a prominent nucleus is there. A prominent nucleus is there. And also, the amoeba that contain many vacuoles. These are the bubbles-like structures. These bubbles-like structures are known as vacuoles. And some of the food vacuoles are also there. These are the food vacuoles. This is the cell membrane. This is the cytoplasm. And this is the nucleus. This is the structure of the amoeba. In this amoeba, holozoic nutrition is occurs. The amoeba is also a holozoic organism. How can we say the amoeba is a holozoic nutrition? Okay. The amoeba have many finger-like projections are there. Many finger-like projections are there. These finger-like projections are known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. These pseudopodias are very helpful to moving. Pseudopodias are helpful to moving the amoeba from one place to another place, and also absorbing food or taking food from outside. So the pseudopodia comes to moving and taking food from outside. When any food particle is get close to the amoeba, the pseudopodia are surrounded. The pseudopodia are surrounded to the food particle. In this figure, we observe the pseudopodia are stretching in manner. The pseudopodia surrounded to the food particle and gets into the body of the amoeba. After that, the cytoplasm present inside of the amoeba releases enzymes into the food vacuole. There is a food vacuole is there. This food vacuole containing food from the cytoplasm. These enzymes are helpful to break down the food particle into small molecules. After that, these small molecules or some substances, soluble substances are enters into the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm absorbed the food present in the food vacuum. After that, assimilation processes occurs in the body, and the final process, what is that? Ejection. The ejection or expel of the waste material. The undigested waste material is, this is the undigested food material. This undigested food material expel to the body from amoeba outside. So the waste material removal from the amoeba, this is called ejection. This total 5 processes occurs in the nutrition in amoeba. First process, ingestion is occurs. The food enters into the body. Digestion process is also done. The food digestion in the body, and absorption occurs in the body. Now assimilation process is also done. Final process, expel of the waste material, removal of the waste material is also done by the amoeba. So this mode of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. Is the nutrition in human beings are also holozoic? Very good, children. Nutrition in human beings are also holozoic. How can you say nutrition in human beings holozoic manner? Yes, we are also taking food through our mouths, and digestion is occurs in our alimentary canal. After that, waste material is also expelled out of the body. So nutrition in human beings is also holozoic. And have you ever observed cows and buffaloes are other grass-eating animals? Have you ever observed? Very good. Yes, children. That animals chewing continuously. Even when they are not eating anything. The cows and buffaloes are also holozoic animals. The cows that contain 4 chambers in their stomach. Nutrition in cows. The cows that contain 4 chambered stomach. 4 chambered stomach. These 4 chambers are, first one is rumen, and second one is reticulum, and the third one is omasum, and the fourth one is abomasum. Rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. These 4 chambers are helpful to digest the food when they are eat quickly. The cows actually they quickly swallow the food. They quickly swallow the grass and store in the part of stomach called rumen. In the rumen, the food partially digested. Partially digested. In the rumen, the food partially digested. After that, the cow again returns the food from rumen to the mouth and easily chew it again. This process is known as rumination. This process is called as rumination. These animals are called as ruminants. Understood, children? In the grass, rich in cellulose. The grass rich in cellulose. The grass rich in cellulose. Many animals, including humans also, not digested this cellulose. But the cow easily digested the cellulose. How it is happening? These four chambers that contain, in these four chambers that contain many bacteria are present. Many bacteria are present inside of the stomach. These bacteria are helpful to digestion of cellulose. These bacteria are helpful to digestion of cellulose. So, the ruminants gets digested cellulose also. Do you understood, children? Okay. And then nutritioning human beings. The human being's digestive system that contain many body parts. These body parts are helpful to digestion of all food components. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, these are all digested in our digestive tract. Now, let us draw the diagram of human digestive system. This is the human digestive system. All students must be draw this diagram neatly and label this diagram also. In this diagram shows different parts present in the human. These all parts are look like same? No. This is a digestive system, only one system. But the system that contains many parts. These parts are not in same size. So, in this way, the human digestive system digests the all food components in different parts. Understood, children? So, this is our mouth. And then buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and glands. These are the parts of our digestive system. Salivary glands, liver, pancreas are attached to our digestive system. So our digestive system that contain many parts. Look at this model. This model shows all parts of the digestive system. Mouth, this is the pancreas, liver, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, glands. This model shows all parts of our digestive system. Understood, children? Very good. What changes does the food undergo in this system? Yes, children. In our mouth, we chew the food. We chew the food with the help of our teeth. The teeth are vary from one to another. So, first we observe which type of teeth are present in you. Let us do an activity. Okay, children. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Look into the mirror. Look into the mirror. And could you find your teeth? Very good. How many kinds of teeth are you present? How many teeth are present could you find in your mouth? Yes, children. We have 4 types of teeth. We have 4 types of teeth.
We have 4 different types of teeth. Each type of teeth has different shape and functions. Cut, tear, grind and chew. Let us see 4 different teeth. Both are present upper and lower jaw. They are all having same shape and sizes and have a sharp edge. They work like a scissors to bite and cut fruit into small pieces. Hence they are called incisors. They are 8 in number, 4 in each jaw. Take an apple and cut it. Which teeth are using by you? Yes, children. Incisors are helps to cut an apple. Look at the sharp pointed teeth located on both sides of incisors on each jaw. These are used to tear the food like a fork. Hence they are called canines. They are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. Take a sugar cane or flesh piece and try to eat. Which type of teeth used by you? Yes, canines are used for tearing the food. And next, broad and flat teeth next to each canine. They act as nutcracker. They are used to grind the food into fine pieces. They are called premolars. They are 8 in number, 4 in each jaw. Take a pea seed and try to grind. Which teeth are being used by you? Very good, children. Premolars are used by you. Look at the last 3 teeth on both sides of each jaw. On both sides of each jaw, the last 3 teeth are broader than the premolars. These are called molars. Their function similar to the premolars, but they are used to grind the food further into a fine paste. They are 12 in number, 6 in each jaw. Children, we have total 32 teeth are present. 16 teeth in each jaw.
Okay, understood children? Very good. Now, let us fill the given table. In this table, we observe name of the teeth, number of the teeth in upper jaw, in lower jaw, number of the teeth in you, in upper jaw, in lower jaw, and function of the teeth. So there are 4 types of teeth are there. First one is the incisors. The second one is the canines. Third one are the premolars. Fourth one are molars. How many teeth are presented in the upper jaw? Yes, 4 in number. In lower jaw also contain 4. How many canines are present in upper jaw? Very good. 2. In lower jaw, 2. How many teeth are present in premolars are present in upper jaw? Premolars are also 4 in number in upper jaw. In lower jaw also containing 4 premolars. Finally, molars. How many molars are present in our upper jaw? Very good. 6. In lower jaw, 6. So 4, 6, 10, 16. Total the upper jaw containing 16 teeth. And the lower jaw is also containing 16. Okay children? Children, when we are small children, we have only 20 teeth. These 20 teeth are known as 20 teeth are present in our childhood. These 20 teeth are known as milk teeth. Milk teeth are temporary teeth. After we are growing as an adult, the new teeth are coming in the place of milk teeth. What happens to the milk teeth? The milk teeth are broken down. So, in this place, the permanent teeth are developed. Total 32 permanent teeth are developed. 32 permanent teeth are developed in our jaws. Okay children? So, children, you are not having these 32 teeth. Some teeth are absent in your mouth. Once again check your teeth and observe which teeth are absent in your mouth. So, children, you fill the remaining table. That how many teeth are presented in you. So, this area is filled by you. Okay? And then function. Incisors. Incisors function is beating or cutting the fruits. Cutting the fruits or beating the fruits or vegetables. And what is the function of canines? Very good. Tearing of flesh, tearing of sugarcane, anything. Okay. And premolars. What is the function of premolars? Very good. grinding. This is look like a nutcracker, act as a nutcracker. So the premolars are grinding the food and chewing the food also. And finally the molars are also for grinding and chewing the food material into small molecules. Okay children?
Dental health. Look at the picture. In this picture that contain a boy and a girl speaking about their teeth cleaning habits. The boy saying, I clean my teeth carefully every morning. I don't care much about it at night. The girl said that I clean my teeth at day and night. Remove all food remains from my teeth. So I don't care much about it in the morning. Think and respond, students. So basing upon this picture, which habit should be practiced good for the health of the teeth and why? Yes, children, that goal habit is a good practice for us. So all students must be clean your teeth day and night by using a smooth brush. I hope all are compulsory practice this and have a good dental health.
Normally, bacteria present in our mouth are not harmful to us. If we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating anything, many harmful bacteria are beginning to live on our teeth and grow in it. The bacteria releases acids. The bacteria releases acids. The bacteria releases acids by using food remains present in our teeth. So this leads to dental decay or tooth decay. This leads to tooth decay. This leads to toothache. This leads to toothache. So, toothbrushing should be carried out day and night. Okay, children? Let us study the following diagram. Human digestive system. In our class, we already draw this diagram.
Human digestive system. The human digestive system that contain many parts. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The food goes enter into the mouth and finally reaches the anus. The undigested food reaches the anus. The first part is mouth. Food is taken into the body through it. It leads into buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Buccal cavity contains tongue, teeth and secretions of salivary glands. Carbohydrate digestion starts here. Pharynx. It is the common chamber for both digestive tract and respiratory tract. It leads into esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular and tubular structure that connects pharynx with the stomach. Stomach is a muscular sac-like structure. Food is grinded well and mixed with its juices. Proteins digestion starts in the stomach. HCl in the stomach kills the bacteria in the food. Duodenum is the first part of the small intestine. Bile juice from liver, pancreatic juice from pancreas enters into it and helps in digestion. Small intestine is about 6 meter long. Digestion of food is completed here with the help of its juices. Its inner wall have thousands of finger-like outgrowths called villi. They absorb the digested food. Blood transport it to all body parts of assimilation. Large intestine absorbs water and minerals from the undigested food. Rectum storage point for the undigested food. And then finally anus, fecal matter removed through it. This is the total detailed digestive structure of the human beings. Health aspects of digestive system. Our digestive system resembles grinding like any other machine. It also requires proper maintenance, otherwise it leads to malfunctioning. Acidity. Nowadays, many people are suffering with acidity. In acidic people, we observe some symptoms. For example, burning sensation in chest, stomach and throat, sore taste in mouth, upper abdominal discomfort, post-meal heaviness. These are symptoms observed in acidic people. Due to spicy food, stress, unhealthy, irregular meals, and also drinking too much of alcohol, these are the causes of acidity. So, children, be careful of your health also. Controlling methods of acidity. Consuming buttermilk, coconut water, and eating herbs such as tulsi, somf, jeera, and pudina leaves, jaggery are home remedies for acidity. And the second problem is cancer. Some digestive cancers are also occurs. Bad habits like smoking, chewing tobacco, drinking alcohol can lead to mouth, liver and throat and intestinal cancers. So we avoid this type of bad habits.
Healthy body leads to healthy mind. When our body systems work properly, then only we are in good health. So avoid bad habits. Keep your health good. Okay children, I hope you understood my class. Now I am going to give a small homework. Note down and do it well. First one is label the parts of the human digestive system. Label the parts of the human digestive system. The second one, describe the different teeth. Describe the different teeth. also prepared like this. Our third homework is make a model of human digestive system. Okay children, if you have any doubts, see the class again and clarify your doubts. Thank you.